In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sinking funds in Monarch Money, ensuring a seamless and structured approach to managing your financial goals. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Monarch Money's homepage. This is your central hub for all the financial tools you need. Once there, head over to the settings. You'll find it useful for customizing your financial tracking so it aligns with your personal goals and preferences. Within the settings, click on the Categories option. This is where you'll create groupings for your different financial needs. Here, we're going to create a new group specifically for sinking funds, so go ahead and click on Create Group. Name this group Sinking Funds. This helps in clearly separating funds that you regularly add to for future expenses from other categories in your budget. Next, under Budget Settings, opt for Organizing by Category. This categorization method is intuitive, allowing you a clearer perspective of where your money is directed and how it's compartmentalized among various financial goals. After you've set that up, don't forget to click Save. This step will ensure that all changes you've made are recorded and implemented, preparing the stage for the next phase. Now, let's proceed to Create Category. This is a pivotal step as it allows you to add specific subcategories under your newly created Sinking Funds group. Think of this as creating a folder and then adding specific documents or files into that folder. So, type in any specific category name within the Sinking Funds group. This could be anything you foresee needing to save for, such as a vacation, holiday gifts, or even an emergency fund. When done, again click the Save button to save your new category. Once your categories and groups are set, navigate to your budget. At this point, you're laying out the groundwork for allocating funds. Click on Sinking Funds and you'll be able to enter the amount you plan to allocate to each one. This is crucial for planning and forecasting your financial landscape, ensuring you are prepared for upcoming expenses without surprise. After setting your budget allocations, return to the Monarch dashboard. This is where ongoing monitoring and adjustments happen. From the dashboard, your next step will be heading into the Transactions section. This is where you track your spending and manage your cash flows. In this section, click on the calendar icon to add new transactions or adjust existing ones. By clicking Search Merchants, you can find and categorize transactions accordingly, ensuring your expenses are always logged accurately under the correct group and category. Finally, type in the keywords like highlight if you're looking for specific transaction tags. Once you find the transaction, click on it to make it stand out or for further options. This makes tracking your transactions across large data sets a breeze. By following these steps, you effectively employ sinking funds within Monarch Money, setting a firm grip on your financial strategy and promoting a forward-thinking approach to budgeting.